Welcome to Digital Marketing 101. In this video, we're going to cover whether or not you should be sending email marketing to your customers when you have an offer, don't have an offer. Should you be consistently sending emails? Well, we're going to dive into that and more. This is Digital Marketing 101. I'm Solomon Timothy. Let's get started. If you're not sending emails to your customers, guess what? They're not going to remember you. It is not their job to remember you. It is your job to be memorable. It's your job to make sure that they think about you and remember you. And how do you do that? Well, the cheapest way to do that is through communicating with them in email. For every dollar spent in email, the last time I checked, it's about $42 in return on investment. If you can spend $1 and make 42, so if you spend $1 million, you make 42 million. It makes sense. It makes sense to invest in email marketing. But a lot of business owners, marketers says, look, we don't really have any new offers. We do the same thing every single day. There's nothing new that we can offer to them. What are we going to send them? Oh, great question. You don't have to have anything new. You don't have to have a new product launch. You don't have to have a sale. You don't have to make a sale. You don't have to have end of season or anniversary sale like Nordstrom does. What you really need to do is create valuable content that's going to help your prospects, your customers, solve a specific challenge. All right, so you know at the end of the day what you're doing behind the scene, working on the solution, working on the product, and innovating every single day. It's something that they don't really get to see. They don't hear the stories behind the brand. They don't see what happens behind the company doors, and it's your job to get it out there. Hey, here's what we're doing. Here's a customer highlight. Here's how you can solve this problem. Here's a tip. Here's how to get a hold of us. Or prepare for the next season, whatever it is. Consider X, Y, and Z. Whenever I get an email that's gonna help me solve a problem, I'm gonna keep that in my inbox. If they try to sell me and tell me that 20% off this weekend, I'm probably gonna unsubscribe because I don't need another offer. I get about 3,000 offers a day. I can't handle more. But you help me educate, tell me what I need to do to improve certain things, how to cut costs, how to save time, how to invest better. I'm going to pay attention to that. Tell me stories. Give me success stories, show me spotlight, highlights, anything that's gonna help me solve a problem, teach me something that I don't already know so that I can become a better marketer or a better business owner. I'm gonna stay on your email list. You don't have to give me an offer. There is no one that says that you gotta have a 20% coupon at the end of every email or else it's not good. What you need to make sure is that you're giving 20% more value than your competition. You wanna give 50% more value. The things that they charge for, you give it away for free. The things that is hard to get a hold of in your industry, give it to them easily and freely. Engage in conversations on social channels. Let them subscribe to your email because that is the only way to get that information. You could turn this thing around on its tails by having them die for your email because that's the only way to get the inside scoop. So if you think about it, it's not about putting a new offer. It's about engaging in a conversation, being that memorable brand. And that's how you get $42 for every single dollar you spend. Even if you only got $38, it's way more than other marketing channels. So as a brand, whether you're just getting started, you're an established company, maybe you have a small list. If you're wondering whether or not should I be sending emails, the answer is yes. You should be sending emails consistently to your prospective customers and segment them. Send different emails to people that are just in your list versus somebody who just engaged in a sales conversation, somebody who just watched your demo or attended a live webinar. Whatever that might be, you really want to make sure you're segmenting your audience so that one size doesn't fit all and they don't just unsubscribe. You're giving them more value. Value is the name of the game. So thank you so much for asking this question. I love answering these questions. If you have questions about email marketing, what software to use, what technology, workflows, automation, anything like that, that's what we do here at OneIMS. We have over 100 consultants that work with customers just like you to solve their specific email deliverability issues and content creation and making sure that you have a nurturing system in place for every single person that's shown interest in your brand. That is the power of email marketing. That's how you get $1 invested, $42 back. That is the average. You could look those stats up yourself. And I believe that you can do that even more in a B2B environment. All right, so if you like this video, click that like button, consider subscribing, leave me a comment, ask me any questions about email marketing. I've been doing this for decades, so I'll be happy to answer any questions you might have. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.